Hello, hello, lunar lapsers. Have you ever, even for a moment, imagined our world without its ceaseless spin? The Earth, our home, rotates at a speed of roughly 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This rotation is responsible for the cycle of day and night, a rhythm that has shaped life on our planet for billions of years. It's a strange thought, isn't it? We take for granted that the sun will rise and set, that days will turn into nights. This daily cycle influences everything from the weather patterns to the biological clocks of every living organism. But what if this fundamental aspect of our existence were to change? What if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? The immediate effects would be dramatic and far-reaching. The consequences would be nothing short of catastrophic, reshaping our planet in ways we can hardly imagine. The atmosphere, oceans, and even the crust of the Earth would be thrown into chaos. From devastating tsunamis to perpetual darkness, the effects of a sudden halt in Earth's rotation would be felt by every living organism. The inertia of the oceans would cause massive waves, while one side of the planet would be scorched by the sun and the other plunged into freezing darkness. Join me as we delve into the science behind this hypothetical scenario. Scientists have long studied the effects of Earth's rotation and what might happen if it were to stop. The forces at play are complex and fascinating. Let's explore the immediate and long-term effects of a stationary Earth and understand why such an event is highly improbable. The rotation of our planet is a delicate balance, maintained by the forces of gravity and inertia. Without it, life as we know it would be impossible. So, while it's an intriguing thought experiment, rest assured that the Earth will keep on spinning. Our planet is in a constant state of motion. This motion is not just a simple spin, it's a complex dance that affects every aspect of life on Earth. It spins on its axis, completing one full rotation approximately every 24 hours. This rotation is what creates the cycle of day and night, a rhythm that has been essential for life on Earth for billions of years. As the Earth rotates, different parts of the planet are exposed to the sun's light, bringing about the transition from day to night. This daily cycle influences everything from the behavior of animals to the growth of plants. At the equator, the Earth spins at a dizzying speed of roughly 1,000 miles per hour. This incredible speed is not felt by us because the atmosphere moves with the Earth, creating a stable environment for life. This constant spin is not just a quirk of our planet, it's fundamental to life as we know it. The rotation of the Earth affects the climate, weather patterns, and even the distribution of ecosystems across the globe. It influences global weather patterns, ocean currents, and even the Earth's magnetic field. These elements are crucial for maintaining the balance of our environment and supporting the diverse forms of life that inhabit our planet. Without rotation, our planet would be a vastly different and likely inhospitable place. The absence of this motion would result in extreme temperature differences between day and night, making it difficult for life to thrive. The dynamic balance we experience today is a direct result of Earth's constant motion. Imagine, for a moment, the Earth coming to a sudden standstill. The immediate consequences would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The very ground beneath our feet would continue moving at its previous speed, resulting in unimaginable destruction. Everything not firmly anchored to the bedrock would be flung eastward at incredible speeds. Buildings would crumble, trees would be uprooted, and entire cities would be reduced to rubble in an instant. The oceans, no longer held in check by the Earth's rotation, would unleash a series of monstrous tsunamis. These walls of water, taller than skyscrapers, would surge across continents, swallowing entire coastlines and reshaping the planet's geography. Coastal regions, home to a significant portion of humanity, would be utterly devastated. The sheer force of the water would obliterate everything in its path, leaving behind a trail of unimaginable destruction. Section 5. Supersonic winds, a force like no other. The sudden stop of Earth's rotation would also generate winds of unimaginable fury. Traveling at supersonic speeds, these winds would scour the planet's surface, stripping away vegetation, leveling forests and turning even the sturdiest structures into debris. The atmosphere itself would be thrown into turmoil, creating storms of unprecedented scale and intensity. These hypercanes, as they are known, would dwarf any storm ever witnessed by humankind. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fascinating explorations. A world divided, light and darkness reign. In the aftermath of this initial chaos, a new world order would emerge, one marked by extreme temperatures and perpetual day and night. One side of the Earth would face the sun's scorching rays indefinitely, while the other would be plunged into eternal darkness. This stark division would lead to extreme temperature differences between the two hemispheres. The sunlit side would bake under constant heat, while the dark side would freeze in an endless winter. The magnetic shield fails, cosmic rays bombard Earth. Our planet is constantly under attack from cosmic rays and solar wind, but we are largely protected by a powerful force. Earth's rotation plays a crucial role in generating our planet's magnetic field. This rotation, combined with the molten iron in the Earth's outer core, creates a dynamo effect. This effect generates a magnetic field that extends far into space. This field acts as a shield, protecting us from harmful cosmic rays and solar wind. Without this magnetic shield, these high-energy particles would bombard the Earth's surface, causing significant damage to our atmosphere and life forms. Without rotation, the magnetic field would collapse, leaving us exposed to the full brunt of space radiation. This collapse would mean that the protective barrier we rely on would no longer exist, making Earth vulnerable to the harsh environment of space. This radiation would have devastating effects on life. The increased exposure to cosmic rays and solar wind would lead to higher levels of radiation on the surface, which could be catastrophic for all living organisms. It could lead to increased rates of cancer, mutations, and other health problems. The DNA of living organisms would be at risk of damage, leading to mutations that could have severe consequences for future generations. The very atmosphere that sustains us would begin to be stripped away by the solar wind. Over time, this could result in the loss of our atmosphere, making Earth uninhabitable. The magnetic field is not just a shield, it is a crucial component in maintaining the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on our planet. Reassurance: the laws of physics prevail. The scenario we've been discussing, while terrifying, is highly unlikely. The laws of physics, specifically the law of conservation of angular momentum, make it virtually impossible for the Earth to suddenly stop spinning. While it's true that Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, this is happening at an incredibly slow rate. It would take billions of years for our planet's spin to cease entirely, and long before that, the Sun will have reached the end of its life cycle, rendering the issue moot. Conclusion: pondering the cosmos. Thinking about what would happen if the Earth stopped spinning, while a purely hypothetical exercise, allows us to appreciate the delicate balance that makes life on our planet possible. It reminds us of the awesome power of nature and the importance of understanding the forces that shape our universe. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to marvel at the celestial dance of our planet and the countless wonders that the cosmos holds. Thank you for watching. If you loved this journey into the unknown, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Lumalapse for more awe-inspiring videos.